we go! Main event of the evening. The Gray Ghost immediately secures top position. He is looking for that ground and pound early. Snowball is on his back playing active guard. Look at those vicious up kicks to the head. He's trying to create distance, but Gray is heavy. He is smothering him. Oh, he goes for the neck. Is that a guillotine choke? Huge scramble. They are rolling. Technical mastery on the ground. It is absolute chaos. Snowball manages to break the grip. Great defense. But Gray is relentless. He stays in the pocket. He is not letting him breathe for a second. And they disengage. A tense stare down to end the round. What a fight!